Prince Oguntade, I'd like to know, now the insurance company has a very strategic role to play. When the policyholder pays the sum of the amount, stipulated, whether 15,000 or 20,000, any amount are stipulated. Now, do these insurance company do they keep their own part of the bargain? Because I want to believe before this enforcement talk came up, some persons who are enlightened have been, have signed up for this policy, have insured their vehicles, talking about a third-party insurance policy. But are the insurance companies complying and also keeping their own part of the bargain? Because I understand there are processes to follow before you get your claim. Before you get your
I'll tell you candidly that every insurance company in Nigeria is awake to its responsibilities. In recent times, you cannot hear of any denied claim. The reason to settle a claim is paramount, not a reason to deny a claim. People will always want to tell you of stories that happened in the 70s. You can imagine somebody who is being asked to pay 15,000 naira for him to transfer a liability of 3 million naira in respect of a private vehicle. Well, you see, the gentleman officer there was just talking about what is payable for private vehicles, in respect of private vehicles. But you see, you also have to insure commercial vehicles. You have to insure those ones doing general carriage of goods. So the insurance companies have been alive to their responsibilities. You had, when the commissioner spoke earlier, the CFI is in a mode of zero tolerance for non-claim settlement. We as professional insurance people, that is, we as brokers, are involved in the chain of events. And we can tell you categorically that where a claim is genuine, where a policy has been bought from an underwriter, not from a local government where you will not know whether it is genuine insurance or not. For every genuine claim, you can be sure that NICOM has put a timeline of 90 days maximum, that claims must be settled within 90 days. And there is no reason for you to document a claim. And some insurance companies even pay in 24 hours. Some pay in 72 hours. Some pay within a week. That is the way it is in Nigeria today. Those days that people will say their claims are not settled are gone. These days, you transfer a liability, you pay the premium, and there is a genuine claim, is not something that you have cooked up. Of course, the insurer will pay. And where the insurer does not pay, you report to NICOM. You report to NICOM. NICOM is there with the carrot and the stick. So nobody has an excuse to say he will not insure because insurance don't pay. You should insure first. At least you insure first. Let the circumstance occur. Then if there is a maybe denial of claim, then there are structures that you can follow. That is the way it goes in Nigeria today.